Hey everyone, I am Harsh. In today's video, I will show you how to keep a tab on collaboration activities using Multicollab Advanced Reports. I am currently using Multicollab version 3.3 and the VIP plan. As you can see here, various comments are shown, and let me add a new comment. Alright, now to see all the collaboration activities within the article, click on the Multicollab icon located in the top right corner just beside the setting button. Click on Activities. Now you can see all the different collaborative actions performed here. Furthermore, to view all the collaborative actions using Multicollab Advanced Reports, navigate to the dashboard. From the left side menu bar, click on Multicollab. Here you can see all of the most recent actions and then click on the reports to see all the little details about collaboration activities. Here you can see that these are the different titles of your existing blogs. These are the comment section where you can see that how many comments are still open, how many gets resolved, and the total number of comments. Here you can see that all the different collaborators, and here you can see all the recent activities. In a nutshell, Multicollab Advanced Reports will provide you with a clear view of all collaboration activities carried out by various contributors. It is one of the most significant features of Multicollab. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for using Multicollab.